So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about Stock Screener Part 2. So we know that few weeks back we have discussed about Charting Screener. So in that particular video, I've clearly explained how to set up Screener and how quickly we can generate stocks within 5 minutes, which can be used for short-term trading, that is swing or positional. So today's video is the upgradation, that is a little advanced trading setup which gives higher accuracy as compared to previous screener what we have discussed. So this particular video is going to be very interesting. So watch the video completely. So since I told it is little advanced, you need to understand that the amount of inputs that we need to implement in this screener is also a little high. So a lot of efforts have been taken to develop this. So if you're enjoying the videos, do like it and also subscribe the channel if you have not done that, so that I'll upload videos regularly. And also press the bell icon so that you will be instantly notified. So without any delay, so let's start how to establish this particular stock screener, which can basically be used for intraday trading as well. So that is very important. What is intraday trading? Buying and selling on same day. So I would like to give suggestion to beginners that don't directly jump onto the screeners and start trading rigorously. Basically you need to do paper trading first. So that is necessary. So in previous videos I discussed best paper trading setup. So do watch it. So once you're perfect in paper trading, so then only come to live trading. Okay. So that time you will even increase confidence and also profitability increases. Okay. So let us start and go to first Google Chrome. So I would suggest you to watch the part 1 as well, because in that many people have enjoyed that. So you will also gain some knowledge if you're watching this particular video for the first time. So once you go to Google Chrome, so directly go to the Google search, type in Charting. So once you type Charting, so you'll see the first website called charting.com. So directly click on that particular website. So once you click on that particular website, you will find an interface something like this, which consists of all the stocks, and at the top you can see we have screeners, charts, dashboards. So directly you need to go to screeners, and I'll tell you how to create the scan. Basically it is very lengthy scan, but I would not suggest you to implement it directly. I've already created. You can go there and type stocks diary scan, so you get all the scans that personally I have created, so that I have simplified your work further. Okay, so don't worry about that. So just learn how am I doing, so that you will also further, if you want to give any try, you can implement. So click on create scan. Okay, so once you click on create scan, you can see this type of page opens, interface basically, and you can see plus and one paste, something similar to that particular icon you can see. So basically previous videos also I told that only these two icons are important. So adding any indicator, removing any indicator, saving any indicator, so completely runs within this particular region itself. And whatever I'm going to tell you right now, that is indicators, you need to implement as it is, and immediately you can save it here. You can see you can save the scan and immediately you can run it, so that you'll get the stocks. Okay, so let me show you the overview of the screener. So this is the screener. You can see how many inputs are present. So not 3, 4, 5, so many inputs are present. So with a lot of research and analysis only, I'm trying to present it. So watch it very carefully. So I'm not going to explain each and everything. So just directly I would provide you the screener. You can directly go and run it. So you can see I'll show you the basic elements, what are involved in it, so that you will also have a complete idea. And after that we'll go to technical charts to have a live implication, that is we'll see how actually it is working, so that you will also have a grip when you are entering into market. So that is which time is very good for using this screener, which time frame, all these things we'll try to confirm. Okay, so don't worry, I won't complicate it. So once you will see what are the major components, so you can see this is the various elements that are actually involved in this particular screener. You can see super trend is involved, parabolic SAR is involved, MACD is involved, ADX is involved, VWAP is involved. So many components are completely mixed in this particular screener. So that's why I told it is advanced screener setup which gives higher accuracy. So when you go to more inputs, ultimately accuracy also increases. Okay, so try to understand this. So these are all the basic elements that I've used. So once we implement all these inputs. So once you click on run scan, you will see all the stocks are generated. So you can see Godrej Consumer. So on that particular day, we know it has given almost 22% movement. So trust me, I have seen this particular stock when it was around 8 to 9% itself. When starting, I was running the scan. So at 8 to 9% only, the stock has been shown in the screener. That means if you would enter at that point of time also, you would be getting almost a 12% return. Okay, so you're understanding, right? So I'll tell you practically also, we'll go to technical charts. I'll tell you what is the timing basically we need to enter and how we need to trade as well. So all these things we'll try to understand. So coming to screener name, I didn't tell you, right? So screener name, you can see that is Stocks Diary Intraday Scanner. So once you go to scanner, so type in search bar. So once you type Stocks Diary Intraday Scanner, so you'll get this particular setup and you can run it. Okay, if you're having any doubts as well, you can ask me in Instagram. So many people are asking and I'm clarifying that. Okay, so now let's discuss about the stocks which we got after running this particular scan. I will go to technical charts. We'll see how they are working. Okay, so what are the stocks? You can see basically Godrej Consumer, Idea Cellular, Punjab National Bank, okay, whatever, Bank of Baroda. So we'll try to see top 3 stocks. We'll go to technical charts. We'll see what is the basic time that we need to follow. Okay. Okay, so we are back onto technical chart. So first stock that we have seen in screener is Godrej. Okay, so I am going to tell you about the timings that we need to use this particular screener. So immediately we know that market opens around 9:15 and we know that whatever the data is loaded in charting is delayed by 5 minutes. So you can say 9:20 is going to be a very important time. So once you get into 9:20, so all the stocks you can see, right, which are generated here will be displayed. That is basically in screener we have seen Godrej, Idea, whatever it may, Bank of Baroda. So all these stocks will be generated. So what you need to do, you need to go to technical chart of that particular stock and you need to put one major indicator. So what is that indicator? VWAP. Okay, VWAP, volume weighted average price. So you need to put that particular indicator. You can see that is the green color line. Basically you can see that, right, in 15-minute candle, basically for intraday trading we use VWAP. So you need to set up 15 minutes time frame chart. Okay, so once you set up 15 minutes time frame chart, your trading chart is simplified. So I am suggesting for all my subscribers or viewers, whoever they're watching this particular video, so do use 15 minutes. For maximum confirmation, go for 30 minutes, or you can use even 5 minutes. So that is for rigorous traders, but for beginners 15 minutes would be more than enough. So don't go beyond that, because if you go beyond that, intraday is not possible. So you'll be waiting for the movement. Until then, complete whatever we say stock movement will be completed. So don't wait for larger time frame. So simplify it, go for 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so once you go for 15 minutes time frame, so clearly you can see the first candle itself, the stock has given very good movement and it is closing above the VWAP. So once it is closing above VWAP, it is a very good confirmation that stock is looking pretty bullish. So in the next 2 candles also you can expect the same momentum and the stock has rallied in that particular way itself. So clearly you can see next 3 candles also the stock has given huge momentum. Okay, so hope you have understood. First we need to go to this charting screener around 9:20. We need to run the scan. So we can see top 3 stocks are Godrej, Idea, as well as what is Bank of Baroda or Punjab National Bank. So we have got all these 3 stocks. So directly I'm telling you for example, not for daily basis. For daily basis you need to run the scan. So you can see we got 3 stocks. On that basis only I am discussing. You need to set up 15 minutes chart time frame and you need to use VWAP indicator. Okay, got it? Simple. Okay, you can also practice this, try to implement as much of time you can, so then only try to go for real trading. Okay, so next stock that we have got in screener is Idea. So that also will get around 9:20. So at 9:20 point of time, you can see stock will be somewhere around very not even 5-6% positive movement would be present. So after you enter, you can see stock will go pretty good. Okay, in pretty good manner, the stock has rallied. So same pattern what we have seen in Godrej, the same way the stock has given movement in Idea. So follow VWAP, following VWAP, the stock has given very good movement. So this is about idea. So what is the last stock that you have seen? Punjab National Bank. So this is very important. So in Punjab National Bank, you have seen the stock, how it has rallied. Okay, so from 36 it has almost gone to 38 rupees level. So if you are already aware about VWAP and all, then definitely you will be knowing how it acts as support and resistance. So whenever it is taking support there, again it has retraced in that particular manner. So ultimately stock has also moved up. Okay, hope you're understanding. So first we need to use charting screener setup. Basically once we run it around 9:20, at that point of time we'll get top 5 stocks. You can select at least top 3 to top 5 depending upon your wish, and then you need to go to technical charts and you need to implement VWAP. So once you put VWAP, you need to see how the stock is moving accordingly, that is price action, whether it is trading above VWAP or it is trading below VWAP. So accordingly that you need to trade. If it is coming below VWAP, then you can go for short selling. Clear? Very clear. When it is coming below VWAP, you need to go for short selling. When it is trading above VWAP, you need to search for buying opportunities only. That is simply clear. VWAP, you can directly go to indicator section and you can click VWAP and directly it will be implemented on your charts. Very simple, right? So this is the basic setup, advanced setup that I wanted to discuss, which would be very beneficial for intraday traders. So in next videos also we'll try to discuss in same way various screeners specifically for breakouts. So that video is also going to be very interesting. So if you're liking or enjoying the videos, so do like the videos and also comment in the comment section that you want part 3 as well. Okay, so until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.